Good morning, students. I hope you did your homework because I'll be marking and I'll be scoring you online. So for today, we'll be looking at two double vowel sounds. Two what? Double vowel sound. The sound over here, this sound makes the sound O. Everybody say this is what sound? O. While the sound of this sound on this side is ow. This sound says ow. Now let's look at word examples for the sound O. We have joke, phone, over, mosquito, no, snow, arrow, widow. On this side, one's example with ow, we have announce, ground, house, country, around, thousand, vowel, ow. Now let's take a look at sentence examples. Sentence example 1 and 2 is for the sound O, and 3 and 4 is for the sound ow. Okay, let's look at the sentence on number 1. Joe will host the show. Joe will host the show. Number 2 says, it is cold, so don't go slowly. Number 3, how do you pronounce the vowel sound? How do you pronounce this vowel sound? And finally, I found a mouse in my house. I found a mouse in my house. That is all for today. Till I see you next time, have a wonderful day.